Greetings my fellow editors, Martin here from iEdit, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 editing features and their keyboard shortcuts that you will need every single time. So let's start with the first tool, which is the selection tool. You can find the selection tool here in this little toolbar next to your timeline. You will use this tool to move and drag all of the clips and all of the things in your timeline. Now remember that the keyboard shortcut to this tool is V on your keyboard. Next thing I use really often is the razor tool. You can also find the razor tool on this little toolbar next to the timeline. The purpose of this tool should be really self-explanatory because it is used to split anything that is in your timeline, whether it is a video clip, music, or graphics. If you want to split anything in your timeline, like in this example, the video clip, just go to the exact position and left click with your mouse. As you can see, now we have 3 individual clips instead of 2, and we can drag them around. That brings me to another feature which can be combined with the razor tool. Let's say that you want to split these 3 clips in the same exact place. You can select the razor tool with the keyboard shortcut C, and then you can split these clips one by one. There is, however, a faster way. Just place the razor tool to the desired position, hold Shift and left click with the mouse. As you can see that everything below the first layer was split in the exact same place. This can be a huge time saver in your editing process. Now let me move on to the ripple trim feature. Let's say that you want this clip to end right here. Once again, you can select the razor tool, then you can split the clip in the desired position, and then you can delete the ending of the clip. However, as you can see, there is a gap between the first clip and second 2 clips. To get rid of this gap, make sure that the selection tool is selected, select the following 2 clips and drag them to the end of the first clip. Once again, there is a much faster way. First of all, place the playhead to the position where you want the clip to end, and then hit W on your keyboard. This feature is called Ripple Trim Next Edit to the Playhead. Then, let's say that we want this clip to start here. For this situation, we can use the Ripple Trim Previous Edit to the Playhead feature. So move the playhead to the desired position and then hit Q on the keyboard. Now let me show you how to zoom in and out into your timeline. If you are editing on a laptop or you have access to an external trackpad, just use the pinch to zoom function. However, if you are editing on a desktop computer, definitely learn these shortcuts to zoom in and out in your timeline. This is also a huge time saver in bigger projects where you want to focus on specific parts of your timeline. Last 2 keyboard shortcuts I'm going to show you today, and which can be really handy sometimes, are for in and out points. I'm using the in and out points when I want to apply loop playback to some part of the timeline or when I am going to export the whole project. So let's say I want my loop playback to start here, so I will place the playhead right here. Then I will hit I on my keyboard. Then I will move the playhead to the place where I want the loop playback to end. Now I will hit O on the keyboard. Now if you want, you can turn on the loop playback and see what will happen. As you can see, now only this small part of the timeline is played back in a loop. Well, that's it for today, my fellow editors. I hope that you learned something new, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.